So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aquastation. So in this video I am going to discuss about the best tank cleaning fish. So the first fish in the list is Otocinclus catfish. So Otocinclus catfish are one of the smallest algae eating fish and suitable for a smaller aquarium. Best kept in small group. Otocinclus catfish grows to a maximum of 2 inches in length. Tank size and water condition. Minimum tank size they required is 30 gallon. pH level is 6.5 to 7.5. Tanks should also have driftwood and plenty of plants, and the maximum size they reach is 2 inches. So the tank mates may include this species does well in community tank and gets along with other bottom dweller fish, but they shouldn't be kept with large or aggressive species such as cinglet. These fish are particularly good at removing brown algae and they eat it quickly. So the second fish is bristlenose pleco. One reason why bristlenose pleco are so popular in the hobby is because they are some of the best aquarium algae eater. So bristlenose pleco or herbivorous, eating mainly algae, so feeding algae or spirulina wafers are best for feeding once or twice daily. So next is tank size and condition. Minimum tank size they required is 25 gallon, pH is 6.5 to 7.5, care level easy, maximum size they reach is 5 inches. Any peaceful fish that are fine tank mates for bristlenose pleco. They are great for community tank with species like platis, guppy and more. Some aquarists even pair them with known aggressive such as bettas or African cinglet. So third fish is Corydoras catfish. So Corydoras is a very popular freshwater breed. Many people buy them not only because of their bottom cleaning abilities but because they work well with most other fish in the aquarium. By nature, the Cory is a peaceful fish that lives well along others. Usually it's active during daytimes, scavenging the bottom of your tank for any food left over. This is why they are good at bottom cleaning. They search the tank's bottom every day and clean it from more debris. Since the Cory is a bottom dweller fish, it is recommended to keep at least 2 inches of gravels or aquarium substrate on the bottom of your tank. A Cory catfish can live up to 5 years if properly cared for. The water temperature should be 72 to 78 degree Fahrenheit and pH level should be between 7 and 7.8. And the fourth fish is Siamese alligator. The Siamese alligator is one of the most effective algae eating fish because it feeds on a varieties of different types of algae. These alligator are also great because they will eat some of the algae that other algae eaters ignore, like black beard algae. So let's talk about the tank size and condition. So minimum tank size they required is 30 gallon, pH level should be 6.5 to 7, temperature should be 75 to 79 degree Fahrenheit, care level moderate, maximum size they reach is 6 inches. So they are compatible with other community fish and have to be housed with a wide range of fish including tetras, birds, pleco and Corydoras catfish. And the fifth fish is coolie loaches. So coolie loaches are good cleaners for a fish tank. They are scavenging bottom feeder that eat food off in the bottom, eat algae and clean fish tanks. As they are the bottom dwellers, they eat up the stuff in the bottom of your tank and clean it. They can eat algae on the glass and scrub hard water deposit. They rub themselves among the glass to clean it. They eat off any leftover food. They can remove all the extra waste things on the bottoms and take parts in cleaning your tank. Hence they are known as bottom scavengers. So coolie loach usually live up to 10 years when you establish a suitable environment around them. So let's talk about tank size and condition. Minimum tank size they required is 30 gallon. pH level should be between 6.5 to 7. Temperature they required is 75 to 79 degree Fahrenheit. Maximum size they reach is 8 inches. Let's talk about the tank mates. So coolie loach are peaceful fish. They are best kept with small non-aggressive fish such as Corydoras catfish, danios, rasboras and tetras. And the sixth fish is freshwater shrimp. So best algae eating freshwater shrimps are amano shrimp, cherry shrimps and ghost shrimps. So freshwater shrimps makes an excellent addition to the cleaning crew in your tank. They feed on eating fish food and decaying plants matter, but some species will also feed on algae. Just be careful about adding shrimp to your tank because larger fish may eat them. So in my opinion, amano shrimp is the best algae eating shrimp available. They thrive in groups of 3 or more. So they are compatible with non-aggressive fish such as neon tetra, autosynclus catfish, dwarf rasbora. Avoid keeping them with large fish such as angels and cichlids. So let's talk about tank size and condition. Minimum tank size they required is 5 gallon. Water pH should range between 6.5 to 7.5 and care level they are easy to care. So amano shrimp they can grow up to 2 inches in length. Cherry shrimp they can grow up to 1.6 inches in length. Ghost shrimp they grow up to 2 inches in length. So the seventh is freshwater snails. Best algae eating freshwater snails are Nereid snails, Ramshorn snails and Malaysian trumpet snails. So Nereid snails known for the zebra-like pattern on their shells. Nereid snails are one of the most popular species of algae-eating snails. These snails eat every type of algae, even the tougher types like green spot algae, and they work very quickly. And the next type of snails is Ramshorn snails. So named for the shape of their shells. These snails feed on a varieties of different types of algae as well as uneaten fish food and decaying plants matter. They do well with smaller and more peaceful species of the fish. They can become a target for cichlid, loach and other predatory fish. So next is Malaysian trumpet snail. So one of the smallest algae eater on the list, the Malaysian trumpet snail grow under 1 inches in length. Malaysian trumpet snails feed on several types of algae but they don't feed on plant, so they are a safe additional to your planted tank. So the last fish is mollies. So mollies are not generally thought as of an algae eating fish. They will eat algae from rocks and plant. They certainly won't get rid of as much as algae as the other species mentioned here, but they are an attractive fish. So mollies are a live-bearer fish and are very peaceful, and they do well in community tank of at least 20 gallon in size or larger depending how many fish you have kept. On average, mollies grow up to 2 to 4 inches in length and they prefer a pH between 7.5 to 8.5. So one thing to keep in mind with mollies and other live bearer is that they produce quickly. Make sure you have enough space to accommodate them. So as a peaceful fish, they don't cause many problems. So they do great with other peaceful species in a community aquarium. Some good choice include cherry burbs, Corydoras catfish, Danios, dwarf gourami, Harlequin rasbora, platies, rosy burb tetra and zebra loaches. So these are all information regarding the best tank cleaning fish. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.